Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new to today's video, we're talking about some newness from NYX. I just saw these. It was like 3 for 2 or something like that on Superdrug. And how cute are they? They look like, I don't know, they look like they'll smell nice, if that makes any sense. But these are the NYX Buttermelt Bronzers, and they have like a whole range. I'll put it up on the screen, like their colour range and that, but they don't look like a mirror or anything like that. But this is chunky, like that's like some serious chunky plastic right there. That is the 2 bronzers that I got. So this is Dew Butter, which is a deep and golden one, and this is Butter Off, which is medium deep warm rosy. And then the blush that I got, the blush that I wanted was out of stock, really annoying, so I got just like the one closest to it. This is a deep rosewood and it's called Back in Butter. I would say on deep skin tones that will be beautiful. Yeah, very rosy toned for me, so it'll be a very, very light hand. Do we want to do that first? No, probably not. So, kind of like just the same, but you know, one's lighter and one's deeper. There's no, the tone of them isn't that. Now, you don't really need to go in too much. Got a lot of kick up on it, so you really won't need much. I even think I would say go on the lighter side because there's so much comes out. This is be very careful with the product, like so much comes off. It's not a very forgiving, like you can build it up slowly type of product, and that's the lighter colour. So yeah, it's not the most forgiving. Kind of prefer something that I can put on and build up gently, like Hourglass, what's it called, Ambient Light Bronzer, or the bronzers from Vive. They build up quite slowly. They're kind of a little bit in the middle because they are really pigmented. It's not terrible, you just have to be really careful and blend it all out. So yeah, I would go for the lighter one. I'm gonna try the blush. Like I say, this wasn't the colour that I wanted. I mean, the perk is it would last forever. Yeah, I'm not a fan. Not a fan. It's going quite patchy. It could be just because it is a deeper one and I'm trying to be like really, really light-handed with it. But I mean, I have that I've used lots. I mean, look at that colour. And I can put that colour on and that colour can be absolutely beautiful on the skin. That is just going quite patchy when I'm trying to blend it out. So it isn't really my kind of colour of blush, but like I say, there's nothing else on my face just now apart from the, you know, that it's bronzer. So really, yeah, okay, that's kind of disappointing. I think I'm gonna have to go in and try and like patch that up somehow. Like I say, that, I mean, look how vibrant they are. Let me just grab, this is the medium bronzers from Vive. That's them at the bottom there. Just not for like the shades, because the shades aren't that far away, but like the colour payoff. Like the colour payoff on these are like eyeshadows. These, you can see, that's like finger swatches. So like when you blend it onto your skin, it's going to blend out so much easier. Yes, you need to use a little bit more product, but if it's the difference between putting something on your face and then needing to go like crazy to get it to blend out and then ending up with big patchy bits, or having to work up slowly and maybe using a little bit more product, I choose more product and building up slowly every time. So personally, these aren't really going to be for me. Do you know, they might make really nice eyeshadows though, so like, you know, you can just dip into them. That they're actually beautiful colours. The browns, the red's even beautiful as well. I say red, the pink. Just the wrong type of product for me, really. I mean, maybe if you're somebody who likes to go in that heavy-handed and is quite happy with doing that, then that's totally fine. But I kind of like to build up my intensity by putting like a cream product underneath and then powder over the top if I need like the extra whatever. So yeah, I think that's kind of going to be pretty much it for this video. It's a dud for me, but obviously, like I say, check out lots of different reviews because other people might feel differently. It just depends on your taste and the way you like to use makeup. You might love it. Don't take my word for it. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!